Hello everyone! Today we're looking at how to ditch nested for loops and cleanly generate all possible combinations using product from Python itertools module. The problem: the nested loop nightmare. Imagine pairing a cafe menu of drinks and cakes. The traditional way requires nesting multiple loops like this. Let's print. Okay, let's run and print. If you add a third option like cup size, you have to add a third nested loop, making the code messy and hard to read. The solution: using product. The product function solves this perfectly. No matter how many lists you have, your code stays clean with just one single loop. Excuse me. And let's print. Okay, let's run and print. Unlike zip, which pairs element one to one, product intersects every single element from all lists to ensure absolutely no combination is missed. The repeat parameter. If you need to multiply a list by itself, for example, simulation flipping a coin 3 times, use the repeat keyword instead of duplicating the list name. Okay, let's print and print. Okay. Whenever you need to generate all possible structural combination, the Cartesian product across multiple datasets, skip the nested loop, use itertools.product to keep your code readable, professional, and optimized. Subscribe for more Python tips.